Okay guys, ever wanted an elegant way to let customers browse straight into a category with a nice hover effect too? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today we're adding this category showcase section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collection List number 12. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer, and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Category Showcase, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. But we don't need those settings just yet, so let's close this and choose a Showcase column. Add a background image of the collection you want to showcase here. This is a partner account, so I don't have too many products, so I'll just add some random images to show you how it's done. Right below that, there's a hover video option too, but I don't have any video ready right now, so I'll skip that. But you can add a video of your own product or collection. I'll change the heading to Beauty. It should relate to your own products, though I probably didn't even need to mention that. Right below that, you can also add a link to that product or collection. I'll go ahead and add images and links across every card the same way, one by one. Now let's close this and open the main settings for this section. First option here is the top padding for these columns and the section's width, but that's already perfect for me, so I won't be touching it. Next comes the hover overlay color. Let's change that to black, and I'll also increase the transition speed. Now the part we do in every section, let's change the font style to Poppins. Let's close this and increase the font size too, to 45. There are quite a few more settings here, but I don't think any of them need changing. I'll just make the font weight a little bolder. After that comes the oval video mask, which I don't really need to touch since I haven't added any video, but I'll still tweak a couple of its settings just the way I want. Below that is the Shop Now button. I won't be changing that either, since it'll show up on hover along with the collection links we already added. The section's background color could be changed too, but this section already matches my theme perfectly, so I'll leave that as is. After that comes padding and margin, which you can easily edit if you want, but as always, I won't be touching those either. Once you're happy with everything, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.